pension fund trustees and administrators have been urged to show greater accountability by members by ensuring they have access to the right information. Zamara Group CEO Sundeep Raichura said inadequate member communication was the greatest failure within the pension schemes. Here are the details of these and more in our corporate briefs. Our group says most pension fund members only receive communication when joining and exiting the pension fund. Group CEO Sundeep Raichura says to effectively address the savings and retirement issues of Kenyans, there is need to focus on the entire financial journey. He also called on the government to reconsider the current tax deductible limit on pension contributions of only 20,000 shillings a month and have it increased.
Because if you give somebody a benefit statement that says you've got 1.2 million shillings in your account, that person might think, I'm going to do well. But if you then translate that to say this is going to give you a pension of only 4,000 a month, you are likely to get some action from the individual member.
We have around 4 or 5 tax proposals. And even last year we had around 4 or 5 tax proposals, which we submitted to Treasury. We went there and explained to them very well, but they did not take them up. If industry supports us as we are pushing these things, I think we have more chance of passing.
Meanwhile, Bank of Kigali Group PLC has recorded a 33% jump in profit to 4 billion shillings in the first 9 months of this year, underlining the Rwandan economy's strong rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic shocks. Bank of Kigali Group, whose shares are cross-listed on the Rwanda Stock Exchange and the Nairobi Securities Exchange, recorded a 20.1% growth in interest income to 14.4 billion shillings on the back of a 21.4% year-on-year growth in the loan book to 8.9 billion shillings.
Book value now above 300 francs per share. That's our book value per share. Market is still moving quite slow when you look at valuations. However, basic earning per share going at above 33% per year. We are sure that in the days to come, we expect to see some good pricing or response from the market, because our earning per share has increased to 54.2 francs per share from 42.6 last year.
Finally, UAP Old Mutual has embarked on an agreement with SME Support Center and Kenbright to underwrite a customized financial solution for SMEs. The cover provides life insurance, critical illness insurance, permanent disability, as well as a funeral cover, and aims to reach more than 10,000 SMEs in 3 years.
And with the help of SME Support Center, how do we bring the insights from that segment and combine our risk management expertise with the insights that we're getting from that sector and start innovating or crafting solutions that actually resolve their real problems. And I think that's really the significant point.
They reached out to us and they're working with the ecosystem, the ecosystem that actually aggregates SMEs. So it's very interesting to see that they bring in players like ourselves on the board. So that open mind